Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. This is one question I get asked a lot is how do I make my hairstyle last longer? So this is my hair. I'm going on the second week of wearing this hairstyle. So I'm going to show you how I moisturize my hair, but while I'm showing you is simple, is the LOC method. While I'm showing you how I moisturize my hair, I'm going to be giving you 5 tips to make your hairstyle, cornrow, flat twist, last longer. So with proper care, your hairstyles can last between 2 to 4 weeks. Some people can even make it last longer. Like some people say 12 weeks, but it all depends on a lot of factors. So first of all, it does depend on your hair texture. So some people's hair texture is quite light, and so doing some styles might not be a style that will last long on their hair. And then for some people, the way they maintain their hair could also be a factor. Whereas in some instances, the way that your hair is done, whoever did your hair, depending on if they know how to do it well, sometimes they might do it in a sort of way that it's not well done. So your hair comes loose and frizzy more quicker. So just keep that in mind. Okay, let's get into the 5 tips that can help you make your hairstyle last longer. Number 1, you have to choose the right stylist that knows how to flat twist cornrow hair well. If you choose the wrong stylist that doesn't know how to do it, your hair is not going to last long at all. The second thing is you want to use natural oils to help reduce tension on the root, because if you have a lot of tension on the root, the urge of you wanting to pull on your hair to help relieve that tension could be there. So you do want to make sure that you are not putting a lot of tension. Natural oils like jojoba oil, like the oil I showed you, the rosemary, mint oil, those are natural mixtures of oils. You can use them. Next, number 3, you have to moisturize your hair as needed. I'm showing you this moisturizer that I use, and the moisturizer helps reduce dryness for your hair. And even by you spraying your hair with a little bit of water and your scalp with a little of water, you will be able to moisturize your scalp too. So you notice how I rub my hands together, and now I'm able to pat in the moisture from the moisturizer into my hair. Patting it, I'm not rubbing my hair, because when you rub your hair, it will make it even more messy. Next, at night, you want to cover your hair, and you also want to cover your hair after you've moisturized it to reduce the frizz. I'm going to show you soon how I cover my hair to help kind of tame the frizz, because there will be frizz. You can't get away from frizz. There will be frizz. So what I do is that after brushing my hair, I'm just using this comb to just brush my hair, just make it a little bit neater, and then I'll proceed to grabbing my scarf and use that to reduce the frizz so that the hair is not standing up. Now, if you have to cleanse your hair, you want to cover your hair with a net cap before you shampoo it. There's several videos online showing you how to do this. And when you want to shampoo, if you're someone that you're going to keep your hair for a super long time, trust me, after you shampoo it, there will be frizz, even much more frizz. So keep that in mind. Try out if you want to shampoo. It's really up to you. I personally, if I'm doing styles like this, I keep it for 2-3 weeks, take it down, wash my hair, put back another style. So I'm going to keep this scarf on my hair for about 10 minutes and stuff. So I'm just showing you once again all the stuff I'm using. And this is what I use. I don't change products back and forth. This is what I use during the whole 2 weeks or 3 weeks that this style is going to be there. Now, let me give you a bonus tip while I wait. So I'm going to just keep this on my hair for 10 minutes. So a bonus tip for you is, if you've listened and watched till now, is using a little bit of gel. Yeah, so you see how my hair, the frizz has been tamed. This is over 2 weeks hairstyle, and you see it still looks neat. You can use a little bit of gel when you cornrow your hair. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.